It's true. Being a real estate agent, selling real estate, running your real estate business offline, and being a traditional agent using traditional marketing and sales strategies has made a lot of people a lot of money for a really long time. Think about it. People selling their homes, upgrading to bigger and better homes, moving to better neighborhoods or school districts, people building homes, people relocating, and the offline agent is having an amazing career. And then something happens.
Redfin is America's #1 brokerage site, so we get your home in front of more buyers. And we make it shine online with an interactive 3D walkthrough. Buyers can get a closer look by booking a tour, in person or via video chat, all for a 1% listing fee when you sell and buy with us.
Today, 50% of buyers find their new home online themselves.
Yes, the shift starts to happen. Consumer behavior starts to shift, especially in the real estate market. With technology advancement and the internet, consumer confidence is soaring, purchasing everything from products, services like real estate and information. Online sales increases. Forbes just released an article with projections that $4.8 trillion worth of products will be purchased by 2021. $480 billion worth of services like real estate is being purchased right now. And $350 billion worth of information will be purchased by the year 2025, which starts to have a negative effect on how offline real estate agents do business, making how agents traditionally market harder, which makes it harder for real estate agents to hit six figures, which is why most agents don't. Then something else happens.
The coronavirus is not taking the holidays off.
The coronavirus pandemic is about to bring on a wave of bankruptcies in 2020.
Yes, as pandemics like the coronavirus speeds up the process for all businesses to launch online, especially real estate agents who at the height of the pandemic couldn't even list or show homes. So the most logical decision is to take your real estate business online, which many real estate agents are finding ways to do so. And there are really only two types of agents. Either you'll be left behind stuck trying to run your business the old way offline, which will be a thing of the past, or you'll leave behind your competitors because you know the new way is online, leveraging social media and automating your lead generation and sales process with a funnel is the new way. The new norm, online real estate agent, is the future, and the future is here. Hey, Sys Savanh here, and as an entrepreneur of 16 years who has operated all my businesses offline, and in the past few years, we have taken all of our businesses online, and after having launched all of our businesses and making a ton of mistakes and having a ton of successes at the same time, I want to be able to share with you what I discovered to show you what we've done successfully and to avoid the mistakes that we made so that you can implement it into your business right now as you look to launch your real estate business online. I want to share with you what I discovered, which are these 5 areas that you must master in order to launch and grow a highly profitable online real estate business, which I call the Realtor Scaling Framework. So what I'm going to be doing is walking you through what I believe and know are these 5 areas. And if you want to be able to launch online, generate more leads, scale your real estate business to 6 figures, and create more time to spend with those that you love, these 5 areas are a must for you to master. So let's dive right into it. And the first area is creating raving fans, niching down to determine your profitable markets. Basically, you're choosing who you want to work with as a real estate agent online. When you do that, what you do is you position yourself as the logical choice or the authority figure in that particular niche. So when my wife went from just a traditional agent that says, hey, I can list or buy, represent you as a buyer or represent you as a listing agent, when she niched down to real estate investors, that is ultimately one of the reasons why she was able to generate $357,523 in personal gross commission her first year as a rookie agent, because by niching down and finding her ideal client, creating that raving fan. And once you do that and you over deliver your services to them, they will start referring you, talking about you, recommending you to their other friends who are in that space, right? Their circle of influence. Does that make sense? So, and then area number 2 is creating irresistible offers. And again, most agents walk around and say, I can list your home or I can represent you as a buyer, and they're not differentiating themselves from any of the other realtors. And even if they have a team, have you ever, has a client ever been pitched by another team saying, oh, we're the best team because we do this, we do that? And most teams and most agents are basically speaking the same language because they're taught the same thing. And we teach you how to create irresistible offers by creating, not only saying that you can represent them as a buyer or seller, a listing agent, but to add other services. Like, for example, my wife, for real estate investors, since she niched down, I'll use her as an example. She said, if I will list your home and represent you as your listing agent, list your renovated home, but here's my offer. My offer is I will stage your home for you, and I will fully stage your home as part of my listing agreement, my listing services for you. So that is my irresistible offer for you. And she marketed herself like that and makes her an offer like that. She positions herself a lot stronger than all the other agents that are out there. Does that make sense? So area number 3 is creating compelling messages. And once you know who you want to work with, your raving fan, your ideal client, and you know what you're offering them, you have to be able to craft messages that are compelling, that inspire them, motivate them to actually do business with you. And we dive deep into copywriting, how to create videos, and how to basically format. A lot of times we know what to say, we just don't know how to say it. And diving deep into how to actually format your stories, because again, facts tell, stories sell. And we're gonna basically teach you how to tell stories so that you can increase your conversion rate, okay? And then area number 4 is attracting clients you want to work with. And that is basically growing your online presence, leveraging social media to grow your online real estate business, to add value so that we can teach you how to create content, add value to your ideal clients. And attracting ideal clients means they are following you, they're liking you, they're commenting, they're replying, they're subscribing, and then eventually they become clients. And those are the ones that you want to attract. And then area number 5 is how to implement a lead generation, automate a lead generation and sales funnel into your business. How you can shift from using just a standard regular website to a lead and sales generation funnel, so that you can automate your lead generation process and your actual sales process. For a good example, a seller and buyer presentation. So right now, most agents the old way is most agents will do seller and buyer presentations mainly on the evenings or weekends. They're meeting the client live and they're doing a presentation. Well, you're probably doing 400 to 500 of these presentations a year. And what we are able to do is we're going to teach you how to automate that, where we can put that up on your funnel and your clients are actually going to the funnel to actually watch your presentation that you're doing there, right? So that's area number 5. Yes, and we'll be covering these 5 areas at the 3-day event. And I want to be able to share with you how I'm able to successfully master these 5 areas, launching all of our businesses online, and able to help real estate agents master these same 5 areas as well as they look to successfully take their business online. Now, in the past, as part of our mastermind or live events, we have charged upwards of tens of thousands of dollars to teach real estate agents to launch and scale their business online, leveraging social media, implementing funnels so that they can automate their lead generation and sales process and scale their business to 6 figures. And now I want to be able to share with you this framework at our 3-day live virtual event. So here's how this works. This event is free. Yes, insane, right? Let me share with you how it actually works. It's free. I would love for you to actually come, and only if you feel that it's worth it, that it changed your life. Everything that we're sharing with you that day, basically then you would make the investment. So yes, only if you attend and you feel like, yes, what we covered in the 3 days will truly help me transform my business, my client experience, and only then is when you actually pay for the event. And our guarantee is this: if you don't think that it is the best training of its kind and you felt that you did not get what you needed to transform your business from offline to online, then you don't pay a cent. How's that for fair? So if this is something that you would love to join us with, me and my team, we are doing it live It'll be interactive. You'll be able to ask me questions. It is for 3 days. The dates and time are actually below on the page. So if you want to join me in person, all you got to do is click the button below and I will be seeing you live. And I look forward to adding massive value to you. This is Sys Savanh here, and really guys, have a blessed day and I'll see you real soon.